fishing trip, and now we are done with Stump Lake and Merritt, and we moved on to Lac Lejeune. And we are here at Lac Lejeune Resort to explore a new area. So we finished with the camping, and now we're ready for, here it is, here they are.
Destination is on the right.
I think we better back up. Okay guys, we'll see you guys inside. Hello everybody, welcome back to another fishing video. Today we are at Lac Lejeune, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this footage. Let me know what you guys think about in the comments below. Read the description links, join my Facebook fishing group, Fishing is My Happy Place, and check out a quick walk tour of our stay at Lac Lejeune. So this is a nice patio area right there. So this is the front. Super quiet and nice little neighborhood. We're about 5 minutes from the campgrounds of the Lac Lejeune Provincial Park, and as you can see right there, that is the lake. So we basically have to just go around. It's about a 2-minute walk. About a 3-minute drive to the boat launch. Anyways, this is the place. Nice open windows. So this is actually on Airbnb. So I'll be leaving my review with a highly recommended 10 thumbs up. Okay, and then you got a nice driveway, nice long driveway, and it opens up in the back. Okay, so we're cleaned up now, and we had an excellent trip. And so this is the living room. Nice clean place. Check out that link for that Airbnb spot. Highly recommend this layout. Got nice dining section right there. So let me turn on the lights for you guys. Okay, you see this? Nice fridge, island. We got the 2 bedrooms. I think it's just double in the bottom and a single at the top. Looks like a queen size bed on this side. The TV, ample closet space. And then let me show you guys, the washroom. We got rainfall showers, nice and clean. Okay. So let me show you guys to the best part, which is the games room / futon area. So this is a nice entertainment space. So this comes out as a futon. Nice crib board, wooden fire stove, all equipped. TV, laundry, right here. Full-size laundry up and down. Got a little wet bar. In the games room, excellent place to play. So yeah, I was teaching the kids how to play pool. We got a shuffleboard over here, karaoke, and we have our dartboard and another washroom. Right here, another rainfall shower, beautiful. Nice sink. Whew. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that episode. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I really need that from you guys. And let me know what you guys think. For now, see you guys in the water. So that's Lac Lejeune to the left, and also Lac Lejeune to the right. There you go, guys. There's another loon. A loony bird.
Money.
So that's Lac Lejeune right there. So that's the big part, and this is the small part.
Dude, Dad, I saw fish.
Of course there'll be fish here.
It flopped.
I know, this is a trout fishery. You can just throw your bobber out there. Get off the bridge, you troll!
It hit my leg. It hit the back of my leg.
Okay, get in.
Okay.
Come on, hitchhiker. Get in.
Okay.
Let's explore Lac Lejeune.
Push it back.
Woo! Family trip, Canada Day weekend. Woo!
Yeah, we're good.
Let's go! So this place is the Lac Lejeune Provincial Park. Let's take a look. We're trying to find the boat launch right now. Oh, I'm starting to see trailers. We're in the right place. It has to be. Okay guys, let's explore. We are here at Lac Lejeune Provincial Park. So there is a 20 km/h limit, but there's no motor restriction. So let's check it out. trying to make me fall.
Look, you see them? Yeah, there's one. And the fishes over there. There's two rainbow trouts.
This is like a rooster tail, or even like a bobber and a worm. So look at this, guys. Just clean, drain, dry your boat. Nice notices. Check these common hiding spots for invasive species. Okay, that's very cool. Okay, let's go to the boat launch.
The plug for your boat is off.
Let's go, Lac Lejeune. Okay. Beautiful place. Not very big, but man, it's beautiful out here. Surrounding cabins. Water looks really swimmable. And sizable trout right at the dock. So promising. Looks like nice camping areas, trailer. Nice weather today. Woo, happy Canada Day weekend, everybody. Okay, guys, we got one fish, and we got another one right here. Pink purple hoochie, Teton tackle. Oh, turn it on, please. This is a nice one. Look at you, Ed. Looking good. What's the counter say, Ed? 20 feet. I see it. Oh, mama! Back to back, baby! Back to forth. What did I tell you guys? Lac Lejeune, that's where we're at right now. What an excitement. Ooh, man. So we totally changed it up and we went for the garlic spray. That is amazing. So the difference is, guys, Lac Lejeune, for some reason, hoochies and worm, tipped with worm, and we got a nice 18-incher right here. And my friend, Mr. EJ in the house. Woo! That's 3 fish, guys. 3 fish, 2 hours. So I don't know, but we just figured it out. So see you guys on the next fish. There you go, guys. Reel it in. How exciting! Carmen in the mix. Carmen in the mix. Never fished before. Ooh, oh, they're jumping right now, guys. They're jumping right now. There's a lot of line out there too. Play. Don't forget to play the fish. Don't rush it, it might pop out. Play the fish, yeah? You feel it tugging? Yeah. Awesome. Now oh, I see it. Oh, it's keeping that lure down, I see it. Okay, let's get it. Oh, it popped out! Oh! Yeah, I popped out. So, that was awesome. See you guys in the next fish. We're gonna reset up the kokabow and the Teton tackle, pink and purple hoochie with a dew worm, and a garlic spray. So this garlic spray right here, guys, nice lunker. I'm trying it out, and that's what it is. That's a combo right now.
Yeah, she works.
She works. Oh, we got another one on the line. We got another one. Carmen, it's yours. Oh man, we are in the mix. Pink and purple hoochie, garlic. Let's see that bend. Woo! Yeah, reel it. Yeah, feel it. Feel that fish. Lac Lejeune's on fire. Woo!
That's what's up.
How's that feel, Carmen? Another bite. They're hot. Oh, the splasher. Oh! Whoa! Look at it go! Fish flopper! Oh, it's fine, jumping. Oh, it's not too fast. Oh, we got it in though. Right there, right there, right there.
Hey!
There you go, guys. She did it. She did it. There you go. One on the mouth. Then the stinger. Here you go. I think we figured it out. We figured it out. We know where the spot is. So I'm gonna go check out the other spot, guys. They have a fishing dock and a playground and the facilities. So now that we figured out where we want to fish, let's check out what else they got. So there's that combo again, guys. Dew worm special with that lunker spray and a bunch of happy faces. There you go. Right, guys? Yeah, there you go. Happy Canada Day weekend, guys. See you guys on the next fish. Okay, let's go check out the Lac Lejeune fishing dock. Ooh, nice.
Oh, you got one.
You got one.
Wow.
Ah! Woo! Yeah, nice size, buddy. That was a nice size. I told you guys. That's so go. One from the dock.
Good job, Dan. This is big.
Yeah, very effective, guys. Very effective. Nice fish, Denzel.
Thanks.
Where's my phone? I want to take a picture of Denzel.
It's right in front of.
3, 2, 1. Oh, this guy looks like a mighty one. Whoa, look at this runner, dude. Woo! We're spinning the boat, man. You got that ready. Woo! Here it is. Here it is. Come over here, Red. The fat one. Yeah. Yay! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Let me hold it up for these guys. Let me hold it up for these guys. Woo! Yeah, baby! Look at this, guys. What an amazing looking fish. That's the Lac Lejeune. Looks like a stock rainbow trout. Look at that. Beautiful. There you go, Teton tackle, hoochie, and Mike's lunker spray, and the dew worm. Awesome. Let's check that out. I got my dew worms, tandem hooks. I got my pink hoochie with a spinner blade. So this is a Teton tackle product, and then I got my Silver Slayerz Roger, and I'm gonna use this lunker spray. So it's super potent stuff, guys. Super stinky. Okay, and then I'm gonna let it out. So I've been letting it out around 75 feet, about 10 to 20 feet down. It's pretty shallow and running around 40 to 50 feet of water. Okay, see you guys next fish. Give me this one, Ed. Oh, Ed, this is a big one. Edgar, this is a big one. This is a big one, dude. It's a big one, dude. It's a big one. Yo, hold up that tip. Keep that tension on. Slow down, slow down. Okay. Keep that, got it, I got it, I got it. Woo! Nice one, bud. All right, let's go. This is this is bigger than the last one. This is bigger than the last one. Nice hook set too. They like those dew worms. They really do. Alright, are we gonna hit anybody? Here it is, guys. Nice rainbow. Whew. Beautiful. Check it out. Lac Lejeune. Oh, the mushrooms look good, guys. Chilling out after a long day of fishing. Yeah. Yum. Woo. So we got blessed with the rain being on the last day, which is really excellent. Best thing I can do. Don't forget to check out my other Stump Lake video as well. We came from there and went straight here. Right there. Okay guys, tight lines, happy fishing. See you guys in the next adventure. There's the little Lac Lejeune and the big side right here. Or this is the small side, that's the big side.